the hypersexualization of the African woman. Fetishized. My worthiness is measured in cup sizes and big booty. Integrity is dismissed and compromised, body parts named, policed, and sexualized. They say it's the sway of my belle derriere, the clumsiness of my breasts, the fullness of my lips, and the arch of my back. Objectified by the media. My nudity is plastered on billboards and marketed in raunchy music videos and magazines, sold for consumption. I am just an experiment. I'm a symbol of trauma and degradation. I wear the shroud of shame that Sarah Batman wore when she was paraded in the freak shows in London and Paris. Too much, they say. Too much. Caroline, that dress doesn't flatter your body size. Caroline, your hair is nappy. You need a few lashes of light on your scalp. See, I can't control the way my thighs rub when I walk. Archetypes of my history leave shards of my identity dripping over my thighs, affecting the way that I see myself in the hegemonic depictions of my identity as an African woman. I'm not an object to be fetishized or a part of the body-shaming brood in twisted society's hypersexualization of the African woman. I wear this body, this skin, with so much pride. Thank you.